Hey everybody, this is Barry from NoodleAgentAi. What if I told you you could have a chatbot on your website that could answer, all of the repetitive questions that you get from your customers, giving you a lot more time for your business, to work on your business, work with customers, growing your business, and have it done within 2 minutes. I'm going to show you how right now. Now for this, I'm going to use a tool called Zapier. Now there are a lot of tools out there where you can build bots and automations and workflows. So Zapier's been around for quite a while. They have a lot of integrations to a lot of different software packages. You can create a lot of automations to make your life easier. But in this particular case, they've got a chatbot function, which is relatively new. But I've tried a lot of different no-coding chatbots, and I have to say this one is probably the most simple one out there. So let's check it out. I've created a new chatbot here, and now the directive is, telling the chatbot what you want it to do, like how you want it to answer questions, and giving it its purpose. Now, I haven't done a lot here. You could build your own, use ChatGPT to kind of help you craft a very specific directive. If you've got an industry that kind of is very specific, then you can go as specific as you want. But I'm going to keep this quite generic. Now, the only thing that I really want to point out is that you want it to only get information from the knowledge base that you give it. It's super important. You don't want it hallucinating, and you don't want it answering questions that have nothing to do with your company. So on here I've got other rules. For any user question, always query the knowledge source, even if you think you know the answer. Your answer must come from the information returned. Super, super critical. Now, when it comes to that information, on the left-hand side, you can see a little thing called knowledge base. Now, I have uploaded some dummy information about a hotel. It's information I got from ChatGPT, but let me show you what I've done quickly here. Hotel services, checkout times, room cleaning. It's all fabricated data. I got it all from ChatGPT, but it really kind of helps you test. So here we go. I'm going to go back into the tab. I've got my data there. I'm going to go back to the instructions, and that's it. That's all I've done. What is checkout? And it's going to answer, I think, it's 11 a.m. I've got in the data as well, 2 p.m. additional $25 fees. So I would suggest you go in and test it as much as possible, but that's it. 1 minute, you've got a chatbot. And if I go up to the top right-hand corner and I go embed, it can give you the code to put in your website, so the pop-up here. Now, the caveat to this is if you want to embed it in your website, the free version isn't applicable. You do need to pay for this, but otherwise, it's not that expensive. But I think it could take a lot of those questions off your plate and help you with your customer service. I'm going to go into some more videos later, because you can use this chatbot across a lot of different things. You build the one chatbot that knows your customer, knows your data, and you can start working it into an email chat, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook. You can start using this chat across a lot of different mediums. So in the next video, we're going to check out a couple of those mediums, but I highly recommend taking 5 minutes out of your day, building this chatbot and giving it a good test. I think it's a standout. All right, chat soon.